Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, we will be, as you've seen in the other video, we unboxed the game stick lid. But in this video,
we got something.
We got a GS5. It's similar to the PS5,
but the controls are weird.
And the graphics are so bad.
I like the game stick lid graphics.
Well, this is much better. So as I was saying, subscribe, hit the like button, and
Thanks for 1,000 subs.
Yes, thanks for 1,000 subs. YouTube, you better give me the play button. You better give me a red custom one.
I think it only goes to 10,000.
Okay, you better give me my play button, bro. I hit 1,000, so give me my play button. YouTube.
Wait a month.
YouTube, where's my play button, bro? I haven't received my play button. YouTube, tell me where's my play button. Tell me.
Today I want the ruby.
Tell me where's the share. Now let's get started with the video. So now we're gonna unleash the big,
ugly game.
Yes. So YouTube.
This was heavy.
Better give me my play button for all of this content I'm making. I received no play button.
And my brother has a really bulletproof glass.
Oh, you want to see it, guys? Oh shit, I lost it.
Oh yeah.
Well, don't worry, but now we're gonna unbox the big fat ugly game. Now let's go. Oh no. I unboxed it from a long way.
Oh no.
It's like this.
Look at this, the controllers.
Yeah.
The controllers are ugly.
Yeah, look. The controllers, the first thing, they're literally wired
and the game stick lid are wireless.
Yes, so they're much better. And then they have much better graphics. Now you want to see the fun part? This thing literally looks like a PS5. Look. You literally put these two controllers wires in here, and then that's how you run it. But there was also a chip. If you have Epil, Lissy, or have structures or other shining lights or patterns, consult a doctor before playing video games. Important. Read the construction important. They said Pete for read. What do you mean? Pete the construction instruction and
where's Pete?
Where's Pete? Health and safety.
Where's Pete?
Application booklets and before setup of or use of your system.
Wait.
So guys,
we're in
our tab. You haven't seen it, but it's an Android. So we have a rare shrub, which is so rare. We just need a clamble and a shrub, regular shrub, a clamble. Because how we got that is that we got when I was looking through my mails in My Singing Monsters, I actually saw that there was a diamond one. I clicked on it. It was said get your 100 diamonds. I clicked on it. I got 100 diamonds.
No.
So first off,
my brother did the spin wheel. Then he got the chest, and he buy the clamble and the shrub
because I got $100
from
diamonds.
The spin wheel.
The controller. There used to be like XABY. There used to be that, but they're like
no letters.
And this is a start button, select that, and these are the moving ones. And there's no button like on the top. And even these are the same. But this is the wire that connects it. Let me show you how to do this. I'm really good at making This graphics are so bad that I don't even like it, but I only like the Super Mario. There's about 1,000 games. You better see the game stick lid is much better. And it was like Give me the marks. So this is from a company called
I got
GameStation 5.
I got the.
And see you in the next video. We have a second channel.
Wait,
it's
I'm
called
going-
DJ Dragon Gaming. It's like the same, but we upload brand new gaming videos like My Silly Monsters. That was my brother playing.
Yeah.
So see you in the next video. Give me the marks. So this is from a company called
I got
GameStation 5.
I got